time we will give to this. Goodbye to back fat. Women are very concerned about the physical, and something they do not like at all are the rolls that are made on the back, as this does not make them feel so comfortable. Disappearing them is not so complicated. Leading a balanced diet, and of course carrying a series of exercises that help to eliminate that accumulated fat. But this time we will give you some tips that will also be useful to disappear the rollitos of the back. Follow them as they are indicated and soon you will not have them. 1. The size of a bra. Many times, those annoying rolls are caused by the incorrect size of bras that we use. When you buy a bra, you must make sure that it is the one indicated for both your thorax and the cup. The number indicates the inches at your chest and the letter the size of the breast. If it fits you tight, there is no doubt that these annoying little candles will be present. 2. Take care of what you eat. Like the rest of the body, the rolls are linked to our diet. If your body mass index, which is the balance between fat and muscle, is about 25, then it means that your weight and height is not ideal. Accordingly to this, perhaps you accumulate fat in different parts of your body, including your back. It is recommended that you reduce your calorie intake, and start your protein intake accompanied by an exercise routine that improves muscle tone. Remember that eating healthy will help you eliminate them and feel better. 3. Lack of exercise. The lack of physical activity that tonifies the muscles is one of the reasons why these rolls persist. In addition to cardiovascular exercise to lose weight and continue in a healthy lifestyle, you must complement with back routines to be able to tone muscle groups. 4. Wear loose clothing. 5. Take care of your posture. 6. Practice swimming. 7. Massage.